What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a couple knives real quick to check out with y'all. Obviously, it's Cavol and CMB, both two companies I have not checked out just yet, but I've been wanting to for a while, especially Cavol. I've seen some cool looking knives. They're a little different, but they're also some cool looking knives. And just because this this box is kind of cool, it is literally a shipping container box. It kind of just cracks me up. But I kind of want to go over this one last because I think I want to like it better. I've seen pictures of both of these, and I think that one is going to be the one I like the most out of the two. But let's get into this one right here. Like I said, these are both knives I've wanted to, or companies I've wanted to check out. I have had the funds to, so this is my chance to get my hands on some of their stuff. And these are both going to be, I might butcher this name, I apologize, but the designer for both of these knives are Tigas. Um, this one is going to be the Sasori. I'm sorry, Sasori. I'm sorry, I butchered that name probably, but it's Sasori. I don't think me saying it multiple times is helping out though. I don't think it's doing me any justice, right? But alright, let's check this out real quick. Put that back there because it's going to be hopefully the cooler knife, I hope. Alright. So, this is the Sasori. Got kind of a little wicked little blade right there. I remember seeing it. I don't know. I tried looking up what this blade style was. I couldn't find anything. So if you know down in the comment section, let me know what this blade style is. It's not, I kept wanting to go back to clip point, but it doesn't resonate with me that it's a clip point. But let me know in the comment section if you know what it is. Tell me. I greatly appreciate it, obviously. So it is a kind of a wicked little edge, though, like blade shape. Definitely got that point on there. Reminds me of the Kershaw Launch 13. Just that little point right there, how it comes, just reminds me of that. A nice little titanium, though. It kind of reminds me of like brass. I like brass. I don't know why. I never used to, but in the knife community, I'm starting to like a little bit of brass on my knives. It depends on how it's done and how it looks. But I don't know if this is brass or not. Don't quote me on it. It just kind of reminds me of it. Like a brass look is what I'm trying to say. So there you have your little, I guess, little emblems right there. I'm guessing that's the Tagas designer emblem, and there you have your CMB. Looks like you got some T6 screws right here, there. You got some nice little jimping texturing on the back spacer. Not bad though. I like that. Looks pretty good. Pocket clip is, I like the pocket clip. Like titanium, but it is enough little bounce with it that you're just not going to tear up your pocket, I don't feel like. All right. Ergos, not too shabby. I have a little bit medium to small size hands, and my hand fits pretty daggone, I'd say pretty good on it. If you have bigger hands, you may have a little bit of problem. There's no jimping on it, which is that kind of sucks. I'm a jimping whore. What can I say? I'm sorry. That blade is just tripping me out, though. What is this called? I can't remember what it's called. I'm drawing a blank right now, but it's just got that different, like, I can't remember, but you have that little, I am literally drawing a blank. That's all right, though. Let me know down in the comment section, like, what this is, and then it goes up here. Obviously, it's a different bevel, different, man, I'm just going to move on because I am drawing a blank. But, kind of a cool little knife. It is kind of small, though. It does definitely feel small in the hand. Pocket clip doesn't have any problems in my hand. I don't really feel it too much. I wonder how well it cuts, though. That's the one thing I'm kind of curious about. Because if you look at it, it kind of obviously goes up, down, and then up, and then up. Sorry, my bad. Excuse me. But yeah, so it has like a bevel right there. And then you have a nice little belly right there. So it definitely, it's not too bad. It is different, though. I don't know how much this is either. So I wonder if, I don't know how much it is. So I don't know how much I would pay for it. There you go. There is the M390. Let's see if we can see it. There we go. Right there. M390. I do like the tab, though. The flipper tab. I like how it's kind of got a little bit of cut out on it both sides. I think that's kind of cool. Nice little touch right there. It does flip open pretty nice though. Not too shabby at all. Pretty smooth. That frame lock working, works pretty well. It's a little strong. It is kind of skeletonized a little bit on the inside to help with weight, and it is a very light knife. I don't know how much it weighs, but it is obviously it's small. It reminds me like the Kaiser chili pepper in a way. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's coming down a little bit like that. The back of it is. I think I have one coming to check out too. A chili or a Kaiser chili pepper. I think that's what it's called. Hopefully I'm not drawing a blank there either. Let's check out this bad boy right here. So let's put that right there. Let's check out our shipping container and nothing else in the box. It's kind of definitely staying in the pack. Oh, so you have, oh, that's kind of cool. Anything else in here? Nope, nope. Oh, a little bit of paperwork. What we got? Oh, what we got back here? All right, so we have a lot of hardware on this thing too. That's nice. It comes with another pivot collar, and oh, that's nice. I like that. Nice, and another little pivot, pivot screw, and all that type of stuff. That's cool. I like that. What is this? I do not know what this is. An air freshener white tea diamond. Huh. Need an air freshener? And what is this? What is that? That is something I do not know. I don't know what that is. But so it comes with some other stuff though. So there you go. And there's the bag for it. All kind of ripped up a little bit. That's alright. Let's put this stuff back. Let's check this out real quick. Just some information I'm sure on Cavol. Yep. What is this one called? Did it say what it was called? Oh, crap. What was it? The Karasu? Yeah, Karasu? I think that's what it was called. I can't remember for sure. Obviously, I'll put it in the title, so you'll know it before I do. Let's check it out, though. If we can get the box back in. There we go. Let's check this little thing out here. Okay, so far, not so good. Dude, okay. So I may have to check out, why is that not, I cannot get, okay. Am I just hitting that bat? I guess I'm just hitting the, okay, gotta keep your hands off the frame lock. There we go. Okay, so it only took like 20 times. So we got it, right? We got it. All right. Let's see if we can do it twice in a row, though. Okay, so this thing is definitely small, and it's like makes that thing look huge. Yeah, this thing's tiny. It's kind of cool looking, though. Don't get me wrong. Like, look at that. It's okay. So there you go. There it is. Both of these are Tigos designs, as you can see right there. They both have the emblems on the pocket clips. This has a nasty little hawk bill on it. I kind of like that. Nice little belly on it. I don't know how well the finger choil or the finger hole works, the thumb hole. Man. Okay, so I can't get that to work. So I don't. Maybe I'm crazy. I just probably need to play around with it a little bit. Don't play with knives. Don't play with knives. Ignore I said that. Don't play with knives. But practice with them, I guess. You could say. I guess that's what you do is practice opening. Fidget with it a little bit. So yeah, it is a frame lock, and it has a... Oh my goodness. I like the design of this, though. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's some kind of... I want to say I thought it was titanium. A little titanium color. I don't know. I have to look more up on this. I really don't know a lot about this. I just do love that design, though. That is so dope looking. You got a little bit right there. Then I like the pivot right there. That's super dope, too. I like that. It is a very small knife. And it is kind of a weird shape, though. I think both of these are kind of just odd shapes a little bit. Yeah. Sorry. I'm just looking. I don't like that I have problems getting this open. I don't know if it's because again, I truly believe you need to practice with your knife. You do need to practice like opening them because every knife kind of opens a little differently. You got to make sure your fingers out the way, stuff like that. You got to make sure, because like with frame lock, sometimes I'll put my fingers right there. Especially I've noticed with really small knives, like because you don't have a lot of real estate to get your hands on. So sometimes I accidentally put my hand on the frame lock, and instead of opening up the knife, I'm pressing on the lock, and then I just look stupid trying to get it open. Okay, see, I can't. Okay, I don't know. But let's just talk about the knife, though. It is pretty dope. I do like the hawk bill. It looks pretty good. I don't remember what steel it is. Is it right there? Yep, it's right here. See if we can get it to show up. M390, there you go. Got a little bit of jimping right there. You do feel it just a little bit, but I'm not going to really choke up on the knife right there at all. I'm not going to have my thumb right there. If I'm going to use the knife, I'm going to have my thumb up here a little bit, just to really kind of use it. It is kind of a wicked, like yes, it's like the third time I've said it, a wicked little hawk bill. This is my first hawk bill that I've kind of checked out, and I really like it. I just wish the handle was a bit, honestly, I wish the whole knife was a little bigger. I think it would fit better in my hand, and I would really probably use it a lot more. It doesn't have a backspacer because it's obviously just two pieces, and it's just put together. So that's something kind of new for me. That's kind of cool though. I do like the design and how it looks. Let's check out this. Nice little pocket clip, not too shabby. All titanium. Not a bad little knife. It's just awkward. It's just awkward. I can't. It has a. You obviously have a thumb hole. I just can't use it. I don't know. I don't know. It's just got a wicked cool look to it. It's just not really user friendly at first. At first. I'm going to give you my final review, and we're going to find out if it's user friendly later after you adjust to it. I think it is. I think you just got to learn how to use it, because I am getting a little better with opening it. Sometimes with front flippers, you have to get your finger or your thumb right on the right spot. And I think that's what my problem is. I'm just learning how to do it. And I'm just looking like a fool with my pants on the ground until I get it done. But that's all I got, really. I'll kind of get, like I said, give you full reviews on these two. I just like the color of this. I think it looks really cool with the blue shapes and the gray blade and everything, the titanium, everything. It just looks and flows really well, especially that little insert right there. But that's all I really got. If you guys got any comments or questions, anything like that, just leave it down in the comment section. If you liked the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.